Someone is on your website right now, they have a question, and you are about to lose them because this isn't installed. In this video, I'll show you how to add a live chat to any website, HTML, WordPress, or no code in just a few minutes. Most visitors leave because they can't get answers instantly. Live chat lets them talk to you at the exact moment they need help, and that's how you convert more visitors. For this tutorial, I'll be using JivoChat. It's a reliable live chat tool that works on any website, and it also lets you reply to messages from your phone or laptop. I'll show you how to install it in a moment, and make sure you watch till the end because I'll also show you how to connect it to your phone so you can reply to customers even when you're not on your laptop. Without wasting much time, let's dive in. Head to your browser and search for JivoChat. Click on the second link. Then click on Sign up for free. Enter your preferred email address and password. You can use Gmail or Outlook, but for this tutorial, I'll be using webmail. Once that's done, click on Continue. Next, you can customize your chat widget by giving it a name. You also have the option to add an image. You can choose a random image here, but I'll be adding my own, so I'll click on Add Photo. You can also change the color scheme of your live chat, but I'll leave mine on the default color for now. Here, you can set up your proactive invitation messages, such as offering help, greeting visitors, sending price drop alerts, and more. I'll show you how to customize all of this later in the video. Now, enter the website URL where you want to use this live chat. Let me go to my website so I can show you. I'll copy my website URL and paste it here. Next, you can add your phone number and business location. This step is optional, so I won't be adding my phone number. After that, select what you want to use live chat for, whether it's getting more leads, increasing sales from existing visitors, or improving customer support. Click on I'll install JivoChat later and then proceed. You'll now see installation instructions, and you'll also notice that JivoChat supports platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Joomla. I'll be making a separate video showing how to install JivoChat on WordPress. To start receiving messages, you'll need to activate your account by verifying your email address. Once your account is activated, click on Install to get the chat code. Copy the code to your clipboard. Now, go to where your website is hosted and locate your index.html file. Paste the code before the closing head tag, then save the changes. I'll go back to the website now and refresh the page. As you can see, we now have a live chat on this website. That's how easy it is to add a live chat to any website. Let me send a message to support so you can see how it works. Before contacting support through the live chat, you'll be asked to enter your name and email address. Don't worry, I'll show you how to customize the live chat widget so it doesn't ask users for their name or email. I've just received a new message, so I'll reload the page. Here is the message, and you can choose to either accept or reject the chat. I'll accept this chat and respond to the customer. As you can see, this makes it very easy to stay in touch with visitors on your website. Before we continue, if you are finding this tutorial helpful so far, take a second to subscribe to the channel. I share simple step-by-step tutorials like this to help you build and improve your website faster. Now, let's customize the contact form so it doesn't ask users for their details. Go to Manage, then Settings, and select Contact Form. Here, you can choose when the contact form appears, during the chat, before the chat, or you can disable it entirely. I'll set mine to appear before the chat. Below, you see the form fields. Each field is currently set as required, which means users must fill them in. You can disable any of these fields. I'll leave only the name and email fields enabled, then save the settings. Next, go to Chat Design to customize the appearance of the live chat widget. Here, you can change the style from a bar to a bubble, align it to the bottom right or bottom left, update the font family, increase the font size, and make other design changes. You can also change the color of the chat widget and the client message color. Once you are done, save the settings. As you can see, the live chat appearance has been updated on our website. Now let me show you how to customize the live chat appearance on mobile. This is how it looks on a mobile device. You can align it to the left or right. By default, the color is synced with the desktop version. You can choose a different color if you want, but I'll keep the default desktop color and save the settings. Finally, go to Pre-Chat buttons to customize the default message. then save the settings. Now that everything is set up on the website, the next thing you want to do is make sure you don't miss messages when you are away from your laptop, because realistically, you won't always be sitting in front of a computer. So let me show you how to connect this LiveChat to your phone so you can reply to customers anytime, anywhere. Go to your App Store or Play Store on your phone and search for JivoChat. Install the app, then open it and log in with the same details you used on the desktop version. And that's it, you're in. You can now reply to customers even when you are not on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.